very much. So we can make our first split there without too much trouble. We open that up like that. Now what you see immediately is that even though you start in the middle, the split will inevitably start running to one side or the other. Now if you continue splitting like that, it will just in a very short distance split to the side, because what happens is the thinner side becomes increasingly flexible, the thicker side becomes increasingly rigid, and that means the split will continue to travel into the thinner side until it comes off. So this is where the cleaving brake comes in. So by putting it in the cleaving brake, what I'm able to do is apply extra pressure to the thicker side, so I'm forcing it to be more flexible than the other side, and that will steer the split back in. Now I've caused myself a bit of a problem by getting a very fibrous bit. We'll get over that. So as you go along, you assess it and see where the split is travelling. So I would say that's now travelling down into that bit. So I turn it over, and now I apply pressure to that. This one's also twisting as well, which makes it more exciting. But you can see by applying pressure to one side or the other, you can steer the split. So for this technique, you need an upright piece of wood, or what people most often use is a nail stuck in the top of a post. So I'll hopefully get away with this bit of wire, but it's probably not really rigid enough. And the split is going to keep running into the thinner side until it runs out. So with this technique, what you do is you graft the split round there, and you actually push into the thicker side, so we force the split that way. So I'll push and then open it up. Is that going to go? Is it? No. No, I'm going to need something. I'm going to have to do it like that, I think, and that. Maybe. Is that going to work? But then I can't see the split.
Going back.
Yes, I need something more. Ah, there we go. That, on that. Look. There we go. Only a year since I've done this, but even through the knots it will go. There we go. Came out a bit at the end. So you see, nastiest, twisted, fibrous bit you get, but you get the middle, and that's actually worked very well. You see, it stayed in the brown pith all the way, so it's actually stayed very central.